Hey there. Need to move money from savings to checking or set up automatic transfers for your goals? Scheduling transfers between your Bank of America accounts automates your cash flow and saves you time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to schedule it. Log into your Bank of America account online and go to Transfers. Select Schedule Transfers. Choose the From and To accounts, enter the amount, and pick a date, either a one-time future date or set up a recurring transfer, weekly, monthly, etc. Review the details and submit. The transfer will process automatically on the schedule you set. My crucial pro tip? Name your recurring transfers for your goals. When setting it up, use the memo field to name it something like emergency fund or vacation savings. This creates a psychological commitment to the goal and makes it less tempting to cancel the automatic transfer. That's how you make saving money a systematic, effortless habit. Do you automate your savings, or do you manually transfer money each month? Share your method in the comments. If organization guides help you build wealth, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.